If your Krita brush suddenly feels wrong, too soft, too large, too opaque, or just not the way it should be, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Krita brushes quickly and safely so you can get back to drawing without frustration. This is especially useful if you've been experimenting with brush settings during a session and want to undo those tweaks in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Krita tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your brush presets docker in Krita and select the brush that you modified. This is the brush that currently looks dirty because you changed its size, opacity, or other settings while working. Once it's selected, press F5 on your keyboard. That opens the brush settings editor, where you can manage the active brushes settings in detail. Now, look at the very top menu bar inside that brush settings editor window, just below the brush name. You should see a button called Reload Original Preset. It usually appears as a circular icon, and it looks a lot like a recycle symbol or even a small washing machine icon. That button is the key to restoring the brush back to its default factory state. Go ahead and click Reload Original Preset. The changes you made during your session will be removed, and the pen modifier icon will disappear. That tells you the brush has snapped back to the original preset settings. In other words, your brush is now reset to how Krita intended it to be. This is a super handy trick because it saves you from manually undoing every single setting change. Instead of hunting through opacity, size, pressure, and brush behavior one by one, you can reset the preset instantly and keep working. It's one of the fastest ways to recover when a brush starts behaving unexpectedly. One important thing to remember is that this method is best for session tweaks and temporary changes. It's perfect when you've altered a brush during your current drawing session and want to clean it up right away. If you're trying to fully restore a customized brush or manage saved preset files, that may require a different approach. But for a quick reset during active use, this method works great. So to recap, open the brush presets docker, select the modified brush, press F5, then click Reload Original Preset at the top of the brush settings editor. That's all it takes to reset a Krita brush back to default. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Krita tips and shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.